In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the lock screen required passcode timeout on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on Settings, and in Settings, tap on Face ID and Passcode. In here, you will need to put in your passcode to gain access to this section. Then we're going to go down and tap on Require Passcode. Now by default, Immediate is selected, so you can change it to after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key. Now you can see here if I lock my screen, and you can see the screen is not locked because we say lock it only after 1 minute. And if you go back in here and change it to say immediately, so if I change it to immediately, you can see that as soon as I lock the screen is locked and require me to put in the passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.